Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just a super quick video for you guys today. I thought I wanted to show you these Wig brand dirt bike tires I picked up off eBay. So if you look back in the channel, I've got a 1986 Yamaha IT 200 that I'm doing a little cosmetic restoration on, and it needs new tires. So I went online and had a look at tires, and I found these guys, Wig Racing, on eBay. They were offering a pair of tires which were the exact sizes I needed, front and rear, sort of a set of tires with a set of brand new heavy duty tubes. So super thick. I mean, that probably weighs like 5-6 pounds. Probably the same thing. Look at how thick that tube is there. A pair of tubes and a pair of tires for $140. I guess that was US. Free shipping in the States, which you can't beat that. I think I would pay $140 for just one of these tires up here in Canada. So Wig Racing, they only had the one model. I think these were called the Dirt Hoe. That's the rear. It's a 120 90 18, and the front is a 90 90 21. I'll include a link in the description to where I bought these, to the link on the eBay store. It took about a week for them to show up. I'll make another video when I do the install on the bike. We'll show them inflated with air. I don't know, guys. They're a cheap tire, but I'm a cheap rider, and I'm probably only going to ride this bike a few times a year. So, I mean, the old tires that are on it probably would be fine, but I thought if we're going to go through the trouble of making the bike nice, let's throw some fresh rubber on it. Anyway, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to make more videos about the 1986 Yamaha IT 200 work that I'm doing. Get some video of it riding in the woods. Maybe you'll see us put these tires on. Thanks for watching.